Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to see how we can install Eclipse on a Windows machine. So first of all, we need to understand what is Eclipse. So Eclipse is a IDE for Java programming. What do you mean by IDE? So it's an integrated development environment. Integrated development environment means whatever the tools which is required for Java coding that are integrated in a single environment. So it's a IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. We can understand it quite similar to Turbo C when we are working on the C programming. So we are using Turbo C for coding. In the same way, while going for the Java programming, we are going to use Eclipse. That's a IDE for Java programming. Prerequisites. So prerequisite of installing Eclipse is JDK. We must have JDK in our system. So in previous session, we have already seen how we can install JDK in our system. So we already have JDK in our system. Now we are going for the Eclipse installation. For the Eclipse installation, move to the Google, download Eclipse. And here's the Eclipse download. Again, it's asked 32-bit system or the 64-bit system. And as we have shown in the previous section, how we can check that the 32 or 64, go to the My Computers, Properties, and here it shows 64-bit system. So we need 64-bit Eclipse. Here we have a 64, so click on this 64. Download. It'll start downloading a exe file. So let it download complete. So I'm pausing a recording in between. Once it will download complete, I'll show you the next process. So once it is downloaded completely, that is my exe file. Click on this. Now click on Run button. So installer will start. It will start installation process. So that's the installer of Eclipse and it's going to take some time. So here it shows all available Eclipse. We can select either of the top two like Eclipse IDE for the Java developer or Java EE developer. So both are fine with us. So I'm selecting Eclipse IDE for the Java developers. Click on this. It will start installation of Eclipse. So it's going to install Eclipse Mars. That is fine with me. Click on installation. Accept now. And it's going to take some time for the installation because it will download few files at the runtime. I'm pausing this recording and once we move to the next page, I'll start recording again. So once the installation is done, you are going to get this launch button and apart from it, on the screen, you are going to get this icon. So we can click on this launch button, Eclipse will be started. So that's the Eclipse installation is done. And on the screen, you are going to get this icon. So whenever you want to start Eclipse, you can use this icon. So that's all we have for this Eclipse installation session. Thanks for watching this video.